We are continuing to follow the rise of COVID cases in the Tennessee Valley and the changes many organizations and schools are having to consider because of it. Now this evening, the Hamilton County Health Department reports 206 new daily cases, and throughout the week, daily reports have remained in the triple digits. As you can see, we have team coverage this evening with Travis Cummings on an outbreak at a Chattanooga church and Joy Dukes following guideline changes in Marion County as students headed back to school today, and an event this weekend that could help families who need some assistance during this school year. We begin with Travis. What have you been able to learn?
Hey David, Pastor Ronnie Phillips says he takes full responsibility for the small outbreak here at his church in Hickson. He confirms that 10 children and 2 adults are COVID positive. He added that some of them had mild symptoms and others didn't have any at all, and then some were vaccinated. He says that contact tracing and quarantining are underway, and he'll be taking the necessary steps to make sure that this never happens again.
I think we've got this miniature outbreak somewhat at bay at this moment, and I'm feeling really good about that.
Pastor Ronnie Phillips of Abba's house in Hickson telling Channel 3 Friday 12 from his congregation were doing fine after testing positive for COVID-19. Some of 90 participants at a back-to-school weekend retreat, an event Phillips says was planned months before COVID started surging again.
I think there were minor measures taken, but I don't think that the measures were taken that we would take if we were having it this weekend. Let me say that. I think they did the best they could. 2,000
members attend Abba's house in person and online. We asked their leaders' thoughts on large congregations gathering as the virus spirals.
If you have the facility to distance and to be wise, I think you should have church.
The county health department said it hadn't been notified by Abba's cluster, but notifies the public when they can identify all of the possible exposures. Also urging masks and social distancing when having church in person, if possible. Phillips says he'll be doing whatever's needed to keep his members safe and encourages them to respect each other's decisions.
To focus on loving their neighbor and listen and doing what's best for their family.
Abba's house will have their regularly scheduled worship service on Sunday. They're going to be spreading out rows for social distancing. There will be no small groups or childcare that day. They said that they're going to have some sanitizer handy and masks available to those who choose to wear them. We're live in Hickson. Travis Cummings, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.